So this afternoon I'm visiting a lovely historic home in Maury County in Columbia, Tennessee called Beechlawn. The original log cabin was built in the early 1800s, but I believe this magnificent house was built in the mid 1800s, about 1853 or 4. Let's go in.
This is the original doorbell, and if you pull on the inside, you'll hear the little bell ring, and that is original to the home. The pillars were actually brought in from Cleveland. They were first brought by boat. Then, from there, they were taken by horse-drawn carriage to Beechlawn and assembled here. The homeowners took months having these restored, cleaned, stripped, and back to this condition.
Excellent.
Okay.
Right.
Again, these doors are original to the property.
They're gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous.
Yes. And so here's the little bell that you would have heard. This piece as well was original to the home, and the items that are inside of it were found on the property.
Those mirrors are gorgeous.
This is an original mirror to the property as well as the piece below. The lighting has been changed because it was unsalvageable, but she tried to get it as close to what would fit with the property, and has spent over $100,000 on lighting in this home.
Wow. Gorgeous.
These floors are all original, have been refinished for the homeowners. They had them refinished.
And show me what happened here.
Right here, the lady of the house was confronted with Union soldiers trying to break down the door. She went to shoot the gun. The gun backfired on her, but it still managed to frighten them away, where they went and burnt down a portion of Elm Springs.
Goodness.
She saved the property.
Look at this amazing chandelier. Just gorgeous. Fabulous mirrors. The windows from floor to ceiling.
Bring an orange juice. Oh no, the orange juice is out here.
I understand that completely.
Yep.
When it comes to drinks,
Yeah.
So here we are on the back patio.
That's right. I am so sorry.
The furniture was made with reclaimed wood from the log cabin. It's not sturdy enough to support the cabin, so they repurposed it for the furniture out here. And they built the fireplace with bricks that were made right here on the property. Out in the yard you can see the smokehouse. lovely pergola with a fire pit. The original cabin to the property that was built in the early 1800s. And then I think beyond the carriage house is the tennis courts, but I'm not sure. I'll have to walk down there to see. Beautiful screened in back porch. Now originally there was a breezeway that went from the main house out here to the kitchen, but that has all been enclosed. And of course I discovered the fur babies in this wonderful doghouse in the backyard. Got their own tree, their own roof, screened in porch, and then there, if you can see back in there, there's a doghouse. That.